This is a cowboy hashmi. I'm going to show you today how to assemble and how to use this TIKI Torch. TIKI Torch, we use it as a mosquito repellent, especially when you're working in a yard and the mosquitoes keep on biting you. So I'm going to show you, this is a new one which I just bought, TIKI Torch. So it consists of a canister. It consists of a canister, and then it's empty right now, and there is a wick which goes in there. And what we do is we put this special fluid. This is called TIKI Bite Fighter, and I got this. So basically what I do is I put this in there and I put oil in this. You need to keep it away from the children. Okay, so after this is filled up, I filled up about 3/4 of it. Then I put the wick in, and then you put it back together. It takes a couple of minutes to let the oil soak through this. So this was a new one canister which I refilled with this. Now these are the old one which I have. Now I have been using this, and it has a little bit oil still left, so I'm going to leave it on. This is another one which I've been using. So for these two, I will show you. You put this on like this. Like this. And it's very important that where you put this stand should be away from your house, so you don't want to burn this thing. So what I do is I stay on the side. This is the lighter. This due to wind blowing, it was hard to on it, but so after you on them, you should put them in each corners, away from your house and away from anything which can catch fire. So this smoke comes out of that, and this citronella which is in this bottle, it will keep your mosquitoes away. Now this is also, I'm using, this is a tabletop. So when I'm sitting nearby, I put it on this table, especially if you're sitting here. So see, so I put this same oil in this and use this near the table. So this is away and this is near the table. This has helped me a lot when I use in a vegetable garden. I can sit there normally and the mosquitoes really do not come and bite you. I want you to use this because it's important. Do not get bit by mosquitoes. Thank you very much. I like to tell you how to shut this off, how to extinguish it. Now see, this is going on, so there is a cap with it. So you bring the cap from the side and put it on like this. Similarly, look at one more time. See, there is a thread, so you don't want to burn the thread. Here's the cap, you bring it on here and put it on like this. It's important to shut this off every time you are done with this. Thank you very much.